Hello students, welcome to AcadShala.
Today we are going to memorize the polyatomic ions, monatomic ions, formulas and charges.
But before starting today's session, it would be great if you like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel AcadShala. This gives us a lot of motivation to keep creating these kind of videos for you all.
Student, these are simple tricks to make it easy to remember these radicals. So you should remember that it's not a rule, but just a trick how to memorize the polyatomic ions, charges, formulas, and so on, so that it makes your task very easy. So in this video, we will focus on memorizing some polyatomic ions, monatomic ions, and so on, because you need to write chemical formulae of chemical compounds, balancing of the equations, and so on. You need to know the charges as well. Now, let us see how to go for this. Now, students, on the screen, you are seeing this, that is nitrate, nitrite, nitrite. First of all, you see the suffix ATE, ITE, IDE. Correct, children? Now, in this series, if you see, the first two are known as polyatomic ions. Why? Because they are composed of more than one atom. That is composed of many atoms. And the last one, that is nitrite, is known as monoatomic ion because it is composed of one atom. So this is very clear now, children. Okay, after knowing that how to write nitrate, NO3 minus, nitrite, NO2 minus, nitride, N3 minus. Now you know the sequence. Now how to memorize, that is what we are going to learn it. Now students, if you see ATE, the suffix ATE has one more oxygen. See children, over here. ATE suffix is having one more oxygen than ITE. See over here, 2 oxygen and 3 oxygen. So ATE suffix has one more oxygen than ITE, or you can say that ITE suffix is having one less oxygen than ATE. Meaning is the same. Either way, you can memorize. And monoatomic ion, that is IDE, is ending with IDE suffix. Now, if you see ATE or ITE, it is polyatomic ion. And IDE, it is monoatomic ion. And one more thing, it lacks oxygen as well. So what I have told you, once again, let us see the trick. Again, I'm telling you, it's not a rule. It's just a mere trick so that we memorize these things for a longer period of time, children, because this will go on till you study. Okay. ATE suffix, ITE suffix, IDE suffix. Nitrate, nitrite, nitride. ATE suffix has one more oxygen than ITE, or ITE suffix is having one less oxygen than ATE, meaning is the same. Learn either way. And these are known as polyatomic ions. So it becomes NO3 minus, NO2 minus. And the last one, IDE, it is a monatomic ion. The suffix IDE ends, it is known as monatomic. And with this, that is N3 minus, but it is not having oxygen. It lacks oxygen. So this way you can learn it. Next, sulfate, ATE suffix, sulfite, ITE suffix, sulfide, IDE suffix. Now again in this also we see ATE has one more oxygen than ITE, or ITE is having one less oxygen than ATE. And these both are known as polyatomic ions. Hence the name sulfate, SO4 2-, sulfite, SO3 2-. And the third one is known as monoatomic ion with the suffix IDE and S2-, but this also lacks oxygen. Now the next one, phosphate, that is ATE suffix, phosphite, that is ITE suffix, phosphide, that is IDE suffix, and PO4 3-, PO3 3-, P3-. The first two are known as polyatomic ions. The third one is known as monoatomic ions, but it lacks oxygen. So ATE has one more oxygen than ITE, or ITE is having one less oxygen than ATE. And this phosphide lacks oxygen, as I told you before also. So this way, we have learned how to memorize polyatomic ions as well as monoatomic ions. Again, I'm repeating, it is not a rule at all. It is just a mere trick to memorize, to make you understand for a longer duration of time, so that it makes your task easy and you can do it very easily also. Okay, once again, quick revision. Sulfate, SO4 2-, sulfite, SO3 2-, sulfide, S2-, phosphate, PO4 3-, phosphite, PO3 3-, phosphide, P3-, nitrate, NO3-, nitrite, NO2-, nitride, N3-. So students, today we have learnt 6 polyatomic ions and 3 monoatomic ions. So this was a demand, from some students that, ma'am, it is really very difficult while framing the chemical formulae. We forget the ions, polyatomic ions, their valencies, charges, and then it becomes wrong and then our marks are deducted. So I just told them, okay, let me make one video for some of the polyatomic ions as well as monoatomic ions, so that you can memorize few of them. And in the coming up videos also, I will be getting more of the tricks to memorize the same kind of thing. So with this, children, I wind up the session. Bye-bye. God bless. Take care.